Dispatch, deploying drones to apprehend suspect.
Control, I'm ready to immobilize the target. Control, we have a visual on the suspect.
Give yourself up!
There's our suspect.
Oh my God! What an absolutely disgusting idiot! Well, that's what happens when you're shit! I'm bleeding badly!
Attention, a parking violation and ensuing penalty charge has been issued in your name. All of London is a controlled parking zone. Have a good day.
My bad.
If you're feeling clever, you might consider recruiting a paramedic to the team. It's a brilliant way to shorten the hospital stay and get your teammate back online.
Immobilizing the suspect.
I'll shoot you.
There's our suspect. Over. Calling all available officers to my location.
Oh shit! Let's drive!
Oh, I can't handle this.
Possible suspect or suspect.
I realise this is a difficult distinction for a vicious mammal like you to grasp, but there is such a thing as being too violent.
Suspect.
You want to go? While you still can.
Get the fuck back! Fuck you!
All right then, let's go. I've had it. Suspect reported in your area, potentially armed and hostile. Moving to the hostel.